Duit YouTube, conas too. Happy Movember. It's the end of week 1. It's now Sunday the 11th. It's the end of the first full week of Movember anyway. I'm happy to report that I have one donation from my cousin Jennifer. Thank you very much. Still would appreciate a few more from everybody. So with that in mind, I will link this video again to my Twitter, my Facebook, and I tried posting the last one to WordPress, but for some reason it just wouldn't upload, so I got fed up and decided to leave it. Anyway, that's that. Few things have happened. Everyone's asking me whether I'm doing Movember or not, which is good. I don't know what spirit they're asking me in, but at least they're asking. I have my Movember wristband. I have a pin as well somewhere, and I'm like enraged and I can't find the damn thing. But anyway, it'll turn up when I'm not looking for it. Quick check-in. You probably can't see it with this light. I couldn't see it very well in the last take that I did, but if you meet me in person, you shall certainly notice that I'm growing a mustache. So I can't guarantee I'll, spread a full Tom Selleck or Hulk Hogan, but I reckon I could pull off a Salvador Dali. Maybe. We'll see. We've got 3 more weeks. My beard is growing in a lot faster now. I'm shaving it like every couple of days, which is not annoying, but at the same time it's kind of like, well, why isn't my mustache? My mustache is growing at the same rate, so it's just a pain in the arse to keep shaving. Anyway, because last year I didn't shave. Last year I didn't shave for like 3 weeks. Now it's every couple of days. Anyway, no comments. So yeah, as I said, people are asking me, and it's great that it's getting the interest, so I'm going to try everything I can do to promote it. So there are several vlogs that I want to do. If I get the time today, I'll make them. If not, I'll just upload them and put links to them in the description box below. One of them is just on the kind of the results / possible fallout from the children's referendum that we just had yesterday. The other one is on a program, a documentary I was watching on TV, and it's slightly controversial and I'm still formulating my thoughts on it, so if I don't get it done today, I will get it done in the next couple of days. Long story short, I have to get a new camera. I said this and I know this, but the only one that I found that I actually kind of like comes with all these blasted features, like it's got an altitude, it's got an altimeter, a compass and a barometer. What the hell do I need them on a camera for? It's got GPS though, so it geotags your photos, but like my watch has an altitude, barometer and compass. I don't need another one, especially on my camera. So I don't know, I'll find something in the next couple of days, hopefully. Yeah, let's see what happens. Anyway, agat, agus slán. Agus, keep growing your mo.